Riaz Khan, the new man in. Have a look at that required run rate. Shouldn't even bother speaking about it. 33.20.
They bowl quite well. They've picked wickets at regular intervals. The Bulldozers, that's one reason why the required rate has gone up. They're extremely effective. Now this is what happened. Low full toss, tried to go for the big shot towards mid-wicket. He managed to only scoop it high in there, taken quite well by a substitute fielder.
In a short stint, whatever I've seen, Sabha, the Karnataka Bulldozers, they seem to be more technically well equipped in all the three departments. Batting wise, they were really going hammer and tongs right from the word go. They had correct intentions and a positive approach while batting. And when they came out to bowl, they bowled in right areas, swung the ball, and itself tells you that technique is correct. Not this time. When he was fielding, he just took his eyes off the ball. Overall they've looked a better side.
Finally, after a long time, they get a boundary. It is Riaz Khan who managed to guide that delivery, use the pace of the bowler. Abhimanyu plays it quite well, keeps it on the ground. It's just not enough here for the strikers. They need to gain from this. It's been learning experience for them. It's the first time in CCL. So they have done themselves proud. That's Aftab in conversation with Sandy from Bengal Tigers. So it's a big game coming up after this. It's a virtual quarter-final. Whoever wins that encounter, they go through to the semi-final. So we have Telugu Warriors who already sealed their place. And I think in this game, Karnataka Bulldozers, they'll go through. So two spots would be determined by the end of this encounter. And then one more after the end of this day. So the winner of Mumbai Heroes and Bengal Tigers, they'll go through to the semi-finals.
After 16, it's 89 for 7.